process recent efforts to implement vehicle to push the cost of vehicles.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Automated vehicle. Welcome to the test track.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
That's where I came from. Let me show you how I see the world.
Connecting to star. SIM card performance data acquired.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just
Capability
beginning.
test results displayed
Imagine
and
being able to
verified.
customize your
Now
vehicle
let's
at
see how
home.
your vehicles compare
Can I show
to
them?
their efficiency.
Go for it. First, select some vehicle lines. Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Using EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental impact.
Now how about we kick that off? Sure.
Sure. It's always fun to be
Commencing
free.
responsiveness test.
The responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Are you seeing an increase in manual progress? Sure am.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our storing area.